Good afternoon, YouTube friends and fans. Today we're going to work on the RV. And of course, you know, when you got an RV, you got other problems. Got deliveries, parts, pieces, things to work with. Stick around. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Well, I moved the action indoors so we get rid of the road noise out there. Let's see what we got here. So we got circuit protector. It's a very handy thing to have. Protects your RV. That's what everybody has been telling me. So, and this box weighs like nothing. It's comical. Oh, we got hooks for keys or coats. She would like one for her loofah in the shower. And yep, I love it. And this should be, if I'm correct, shock cylinders for the cargo area. So we'll go out and install those. Hook that up to the house just to see if it says that the house is wired wrong. I'd like to think that I did a good job. Never know. And final item. Because I know where this came from, who I ordered from. This is lights to improve the look on the bedroom. Wow, they're individually wrapped. So that we will be installing in the bedroom because we need to use one of the bedroom fixtures to replace the broken one in the dining room. This wasn't the cheapest of alternatives, but all in all, it will make everything look better. So let's go out to the RV. Alrighty, before we go inside, let's stop and fix the problem out here. This cargo bay didn't want to stay up, so we replaced it, but what I bought only goes that high. What I was wanting to do I feel it should open like that so you can get under it. So we're going to put a little longer lift arm on it, see what we can get accomplished here. Now this is not super difficult to take off. Put a screwdriver in where the clip's at, pry it back out. So you can see this one's 2 inches longer, and it is also 5 pounds stronger. All there is to it. Well, that really wants to go now. So, problem number one fixed. Let's go around the other side and I'll show you the one over there that I've got problems with. So we're going to fix this guy up. Well, it's a little, I mean, it holds it there, but that actually needs to be a stronger shock. Maybe I'll see about mounting a double shock on the other side. There's nothing wrong with this shock, it's just it's just too much weight. Well, friends, thanks for watching. Now it's time to test out the RV plug. So if you look here, you've got correct wiring, open ground, reverse polarity. It'll tell you if it's got open hot, but basically I want 2 yellow lights. So let's give it a try. Hopefully the house wired correctly. I don't know if you can see that or not, but basically it's saying that I have the polarities reversed. So, which I know for a fact that that's not, but we'll put this in the garage where it's actually coming in and see if it's the cable itself is the problem. Let's go look. Now you can see there's 2 yellow lights. 2 yellow lights mean that it is the correct wiring. Now if that red light was to show up, that red light would mean that it has an open neutral. But like I say, I'm pretty confident in my wiring skills, so now it tells me that the cord wires are switched backwards, so I'll have to undo the cord and fix that. But so I fixed the ends. I actually took both ends apart to verify what was going on, and there you go, 2 yellow lights. So the cord wiring was just switched. Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit that old subscribe button. Catch you later. Thanks for watching.